Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use themepack app. Themepack app is an app that lets you customize your phone's appearance with wallpapers, app icons, widgets. So make sure you have already downloaded and installed the themepack from a device's app store. And simply you need to open your themepack app. And after that, here you can browse the themes, explore the available categories such as aesthetic here, new, iPacks, cute, and anime. And you can simply tap a theme to preview how it look on a device by tapping on one of it on your screen. And here you need to select the theme that you want to use. You can simply select download in the bottom icon beside there, and you need to follow the on-screen instruction. Some themes may require installing a compatible launcher app first. You need to simply select unlock in the bottom, and here tap onto this download icon in the bottom right. And if you want to change the wallpaper, you need to open the wallpaper section in the bottom right corner. And over here, you can select for the iPhone or the iWatch as well by simply tapping onto this iWatch or iPhone. And here you need to choose a wallpaper by tapping on one of the wallpaper there. So over here, you can simply select to this download icon beside it on the yellow font, or you can simply select to this get all by subscribing to the package with continuing of the premium package as well. And that is it. You can now personalize your device as well with the theme pack and give it a completely new look. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.